Don, with you know, so many people really embracing a healthy lifestyle these days, this word alchemy is becoming more and more sort of known around the place. But I think a lot of people don't really know where it comes from, the origins of it. You want to talk about that for a bit?
Yeah, the very foundation of alchemy was literally the physics of nature. And it stood for air, fire, which is light, earth, which referred to the plants and other things. We'll get to that in a second. And water. Air, fire, earth, and water. And the ancients wrote it. A few there be that find it. Find what? And the answer is right there in that statement. A few there be that find it. A few is A-F-E-W, air, fire, earth, and water. And they handed that down through the ages, and now it's taken away. But it's fascinating. If you look at the word earth, it's got the word ear in it. And you have an ear. That's why you can hear. It's got the word H, the letter H over H, and ear. And so you can hear. And inside the ear is the cochlea, which is a spiral. And it's actually in the measure of 5, the golden spiral, 1 to 1.6, which the body is based upon. And everything in the body is based on 1 to 1.6, which is 5. And then you stand in a 5-pointed star and you can draw a circle around it, and that was pi, completeness. And so as you get into ear and earth, they taught that if you pay attention in nature, you'll be able to hear and smell and taste and see and touch and intuitively know. And your imagination will spark on fire, and you'll know the foods and the plants that target the body organs. You'll hear what the earth is trying to get you to listen to and to do.
Is that where the word ear to the ground came from?
Yeah,
or
ear to the ground.
Wow.
Yeah. And then you take the H off of earth and put it in front, it's heart.
Right.
And we've got to listen with our heart, the treasure chest, and embrace the things that we begin to understand as reasonable and logical and practical and applicable to our lives. Anything that gets complex academically, it's probably a lie. And so these, you need to listen to the earth and embrace all of these as your medicines, because they heal and